Yo.
Today I will be lubing.
Today. Alright, for real.
Start the video off with,
Nah. This is a trade recap. First trade recap video. I think the date's January 24 right now, Friday.
Alhamdulillah.
Relax. We're both trading on 50K combine accounts right now for Top Step. Pretty much, you know, it's kind of hard. We both low-key just started trading I started trading like 8 months ago or like 7 months ago. I'd say like the summer. ICT concepts. You know, we're pretty much getting the hang of it. Yo, talk, bro. Tell them.
Pretty much getting this.
Alright, anyways, so this is trade recap. We're gonna go over the trades that I could have taken and that he did take. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go over these trades that we could have taken today and did take.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Goodness.
What?
That gets me bricks.
This? I know, bro. Both of these. Alright, anyways. 50K combines, like we said, one contract. Trying to pass this funded in minimal trades, but still, we're getting profitable. I'd say we're getting to that point, you know. But getting the hang of it quite quickly, I'd say. Alright, coming into the day. Yo, what do you think our bias was? Because I was a little bit confused on this shit. Because we had this daily fair value gap, but then again, we swept out these highs, and I think this is SMT. What the fuck?
No, honestly.
No, look. I think yeah, that's a daily SMT. So I was short. I was bearish.
Mine was bullish, but when I look at it now, it probably was bearish because you could have targeted like the retracement.
Retracing to this daily.
Fair value gap.
I think starting Monday we'll come up back to these highs. I think we'll sweep out this high. Cause there's
or we might go lower because we're in a fat bearish fair value gap.
Also look where? Oh yeah, this. I know, but I guess. But look, this is an inverse daily too. So, and we're pretty much tapping into that shit along with this. I don't know. We'll see what happens Monday. But coming out to the day, we're in high school, by the way. So school kind of blows. It low-key sells us because our school's pretty strict with this iPad policy. And we can't really... If Brother Vegan will get angry if we take out the iPads. Shout out to Brother Vegan. Anyways. So we had these daily fair value gaps. So I would say I was pretty bearish on the day. Didn't really know because my fucking English teacher didn't let me take out my iPad in class to check. So we also had hella news today, I think, actually. Wait.
Yeah,
the Chinese NBS manufacturing PMI, like type shit. Like I mean, that affected the market greatly. Tills to support confirmation on Hegseth. That was another one. I mean,
look at the U.S. news, bro.
I know. I'm just fucking joking, bro. Yeah, wait. Where's U.S. news? How do I go to that?
I bet German.
What?
I bet German.
Regardless, we had news today. It's pretty hefty news. Also, I feel like it didn't really do much to the market though, right? I didn't see like shit really, honestly.
The news scandal. It was fat, but like it wasn't that bad.
Where's the market open at? This was yesterday. Yesterday's was shit. Yesterday's price was cock. It was terrible. Yesterday we created these lows and we wanted to take out these lows. We have this spot sell side liquidity and these lows that I marked out, but now that I'm thinking about it, we should have just marked out these. This is end of market open or market close today. We ended up sweeping out these lows eventually. But like I said, bearish bias. I think this candle, 12 o'clock candle to the 9:45 candle was an SMT. Why does it do this? Wait, 12:45. What did I say? Yeah. Right? Did I say 12?
Oh no.
I don't either. I don't remember. I did. Wait. 12 o'clock to the.
Dude, just hide all the drawings right now.
No, how do I do that? This?
Yeah.
12 o'clock to the 9:45. Where's 12? Am I gay? 12? I mean, yeah, I guess it's an SMT-ish. So, we had a 15-minute SMT at these highs. Wait, I'm gonna check something. Yeah. At these highs, I think this is at market open during the macro. So I was not looking for shorts here because then again my English teacher was selling me greatly, but it's all good. My friend though, this kid on the call, he got the opportunity to take a short on this. What he saw, this is basically what he saw. Yo, you can explain this shit because this is your trade. I mean, I predicted it, but like this is your trade.
Alright, I saw a bearish SMT, and then that change of state in the middle, inverse and bearish. Actually, no, it was two inverses.
Yeah, there
one.
was liquidity. We swept liquidity on the 1 minute and the 15 minute. I'm pretty sure. We took out these highs, so like automatically I was looking for, or you were looking for shorts. I wasn't, but we also tapped into this. I think this was a 15-minute high. Yeah, we tapped into this 15-minute high too. I don't know. It was just looking pretty bearish. I was trying to look for shorts. But yeah, there was this 1 minute SMT, and then we saw, like he said, there was this inverse gap, and then this inverse gap.
I just entered because I was thinking like that's a high sell zone.
Yeah,
Big zone.
we came down into this change, we created this change of state, and we broke structure to the downside on this candle shit. I mean, I would say this candle close mostly, but unless you want to count this way. We semi-broke structure to the downside, but there was a lot of bearish displacement, so I was already assuming that we were going to drop down to these draws on liquidity down here. And these draws, I didn't mark it out low, but this was take profit. So once we saw the inverse gaps, he entered short right here. Broke this change in state, retraced back to the change in state and this order block. We had this 1 minute order block that it tapped into. He put his stop above this high and then took the trade, I'm pretty sure, off this candle, right?
Something like that.
Yeah, this candle. We also had, I didn't mark this shit out, but we had this inverse gap that price ended up retracing off of. Oh shit. We had this inverse gap price ended up retracing off of, even though there was hella T's wicks. And we had that bearish value gap, but we got no retracement off that. So, what did you end up doing? Where did you freaking take your profits because you bitched out? This was your full take profit, but
I know, right?
it's like around
A
here.
little bit under that inverse. A little bit
Like
under.
here? Bro, I don't understand why you like didn't see this shit and just mark it out. Like you should have at least here's what I'm thinking. You should have put your stop to break even and then because it still could have retraced to this fair value gap here. And you could have just waited that, and if you saw rejecting off that, then you would have just left it running. Even though it didn't even go all the way back up, it just fucking came to this inverse here and then dumped. So I say you should have waited.
The problem is that it wouldn't let me put a stop loss on my freaking iPad. So
Alright, still.
I'm just kidding myself.
If you if you could have, then you should have just fucking left it. It's fine though. You still made like what, 500, 400, something like that.
Like
So you're up like 450 on the day. I'm down 120. We'll get to that. Don't worry. Pretty shitty on my part. Let the emotions get the best of me. Yo, this was your only trade today though, right?
Yeah. Well,
Alright.
I mean, there's another one, but like that shit does not count. Because
You just
I
entered.
entered and exited after like 3 seconds.
Yeah. Alright, well, regardless. So, I actually started looking at the market at about like 10:30 or yeah, so and so like that. I wanted to trade in the 10:45 to 11:15 macro. So I was waiting to touch these draws on liquidity, but in order for the market to move lower, you got to move higher. So after I saw we swept liquidity here on the 15 minute and the 1 minute, actually on all time frames, we swept liquidity. I saw this 15-minute SMT. What? Oh my god, I hear myself echoing. I thought you were talking. We had this 1 minute SMT here and this 15-minute SMT. They just collided. I just marked out both of them. Doesn't matter. What I did was I marked out this trade, right? I text this kid. I'm like, yo, should I buy? Should I go longs here? He goes, yeah. I completely disregard that. I'm like, yo, I feel like we're going to come tap into these lows because ES didn't sweep liquidity besides this 1 minute. And I feel like that's just an internal draw. That's not really, like, good confirmation.
If you saw 2 SMTs, why would you...
Bro, I don't know. I think I saw these later on. I saw these, like, a bit later on into the trade. But regardless. So, we had these SMTs. What I was thinking is that we'd come sweep out these lows on ES, even though we were bullish. And like I said, in order for the market to move lower, you must move higher. So I really should have just stuck with my initial trade and targeted these. But I took it short on ES. Look at this shit. SMT, guess what? Marked out. Targeted the sell side. You got shit on. Completely fucked, right?
It didn't even go past that previous low either.
I know. I know, bro. I was pissed off. And I think this is the 1 minute SMT too. But, I mean, it is what it is. Whatever. I lost like 100, I think, so not too bad. But it was just very stupid on my part, right? I had the right trade initially, and then I just switched it off and went to what I thought would happen. Well, I didn't even think it would happen. I just was shitting myself because of emotions. Trading's scary. But, you know, with time that'll come. So, I took it off this inverse gap. I had my stops above these highs and this for value gap because I just thought it would come here, retrace. What happened was, I think this was a 3 minute gap. We inversed this. We got semi retracement off this actually, this candle right there. So I thought I was chilling, right? Nah, I was not fucking chilling. We didn't break these lows, and we made this SMT here. We come back up. We sweep out these highs. We get change in the state after taking out more liquidity. This 3 minute inverse just gets shit on and violated. It doesn't even matter anymore. This for value gap becomes an inverse. Pretty sure. Was it a 3 minute or 2 minute? Oh, wait. Yeah, it was a 3 minute. So this became a 3 minute inverse, and then what happens? My trade hits on NASDAQ. The initial trade I had, which was take the trade off this inverse. I saw a little bit after, but I had like a different idea, like at the start. But the bias was to go longs to these highs, and with the same exact confluences of what actually happened. So I got stopped out. It's fine. I learned, but. And then I fucking entered again, like right away, like here or something, and I made like 20. I literally, it wasn't even a trade. I just fucking entered, revenge trade. I entered and then closed for like plus $20. So technically I was down like 100 on the day, really. But I mean, it's fine, right? So yeah, that's my shitty ass emotions trades. Even though I could have took this short, but nah, my teachers wanted to grief my money making. They're just jealous that I'm gonna be making more than them. I guess it's all good. But yeah, the wanted trade was this. So let's go over this SMT. I already went over this shit, but yeah, change of state, retrace back to the change of state. 3 minute inverse that I marked out earlier on my ES short. We tap into the 3 minute. That's ideally where I would have entered, especially off this huge rejection point. This candle, we had bearish down displacement to the downside, and we didn't end up breaking these highs. We just wicked above them. So this inverse really held. And then we had this 1 minute bullish for value gap too. This order block down here. I didn't mark it out. I don't really like to use order blocks, but whatever. This inverse also, I mean, we had strong buyer, like, volume. So, straight up just on me, SMT, it followed my entire model. I was targeting this this for value gap up here, which it just ended up running through. It tapped into and then came back down a bit and then ran through it. It is what it is, though. You know, we learn. But overall, like, decent trades. You followed the model, everything, right? Decent, good ass trades, bro.
Yep.
So
Those were probably the best trades.
Not that ass, yeah.
Then I don't know. I feel
When-
like those were the best trades.
I know, I
Maybe
agree.
like the after
Even
could have probably found a trade.
bro, price before yesterday's price was so shit. Look at this. This is at market open. Market open like here, and we just shit the bed. I don't even know what is this. But yeah, we came and swept out these lows eventually, which is good. I don't know. I think we'll move higher probably, because I don't know if you guys see this like I see it. Wait. Give me a sec. Dick and balls method. So pretty much what happens, retrace down to one ball sack. This is on the hourly. You sweep liquidity on the balls. Sperm comes out. Right here. The rejection point. And we're in this ghost feed box. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah. So overall, good trades for today. Looking for a bullish bias on Monday. Yeah, first trade recap. Please like and subscribe.
Now bullish bias on Monday.
Yeah,
honestly.
I'm thinking bullish. Thinking bullish.
On the
Swept
1 hour.
out, bro. We swept out all these hourly lows.
And it's in a fair value gap on the left too.
This one right here. Yeah, and we rejected it twice. And wait, fuck me. Wait. I was about to say SMT, I think, but I don't think it is.
1 hour.
Oh, it might be 4 o'clock to the 14 o'clock. Yep, SMT, bullish SMT right here. That's awesome. So yeah, Monday's price action should be decent, bullish. I'm not decent, like I'm just saying, like
I'm gonna check for news on Monday.
bullish price action. Yeah, you should do that. I don't want to sell. How the fuck do I delete all these, bro?
Oh yeah, there's freaking minimal news Monday. There's
That's
one
good.
orange shit at 10 a.m.
I think my mom's about to come rape me, so thanks for watching the first video. There'll be many more to come. Welcome aboard the journey to becoming money. To becoming rich, right, bro?
To quote it, my balance right now, all time, is $0 right now currently. Actually, $11 in Cash App.
Yeah, my mom loves it. Wait.
And
Like I was saying, yeah, we'll see y'all in the next one. That's trade recap number 1. So, follow along with the journey to becoming profitable